What's up YouTube, it's Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass your Windows firewall if it's blocking any application in Windows 11. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on our Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to your Windows search bar and you're going to type in security space policy. Once you type in security policy, go ahead and click on local security policy. Once that opens, you're going to see Windows Defender with advanced security. Go ahead and drop that down right there. And you're going to see Windows Defender Firewall. Let me go ahead and full screen this for you guys so you can see everything. So you have Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, local group policy object, inbound rules, and outbound rules. So what you're going to do to have anything come in, you're going to go ahead and right click, do new rule. You're going to have program, port, predefined, custom. If you know what program you want to let in, all you gotta do is click on program. If you know what port you want to let in, all you gotta do is the port right there. But I'm gonna do custom, so this is gonna allow everything in. So you're just gonna click on custom, click next, all programs, next, leave this default and then leave this default any IP address, and then you're gonna see allow the connection. So click next, and then I would just keep it at default domain, private and public just for now. You want to like slowly limit this down until you find what you need to leave open and what you need to like leave closed, because you don't just want to leave this on 24/7 and have everything open. We'll go ahead and click on next and then type in any in right there. So that's allowing everything into your computer, no matter what program it is, no matter what port it is, no matter what application, etc. It's letting it in. All right, now we need to make an outbound rule. So this is pretty much saying any application, program, script, or anything else can reach out to wherever it needs to go, and it won't be blocked by Windows Defender Firewall. So what you do, right click again, new rule. Once you're in new rule, click on custom, next, 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 next. And then once you get to this step right here, it's going to say block the connection. Go ahead and change that to allow the connection, and then click on next, next, and then type in any out. All right, so now that we have both of those rules set up, anything coming in and anything going out will not be blocked by Windows Firewall. If you have any questions or comments you want to make that are more personable to your application or the port you want to use, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section. But that is how you completely bypass Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.